Thermoformers all need something to hold plastic during the forming process. This type of clamp will suffice in a variety of situations. They are easy to make and will last a long time with care. Our clamps are made from simple aluminum C-channel stock, 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch. This aluminum stock can be found at most hardware stores or lumber companies. Once you decide on the size of your clamp frame, you can begin to cut the sides and ends for the frame. Remember, sometimes the ends may be shorter than the sides, so plan it out. You need to scuff or mar the inside of the aluminum C-channel piece for the JB weld to adhere to. This is important. If you don't, you may have to redo it again after you have used the frame a few times. The screw should be tightened all the way into the hole, with as much of the actual screw thread showing for a good grip of the JB weld. Place your pieces in a clamp and tighten. I prefer a quick action clamp for this type of work. Don't forget to repeat the process and make a top and bottom frame. Once the alignment has been made, you may begin mixing equal amounts of JB weld with the wooden mixing stick and begin applying it to the screw. Be sure to place enough so the screw will not move or become loose. It doesn't hurt to place some on the head of the screw so it won't turn. When you are satisfied that all 4 screws are welded, place the project aside and let it set overnight before removing it from your quick action clamp or T-bar lightweight clamp. Repeat the process for the other part of the clamp frame. Place plastic between each frame, apply spring clamps, and you're ready to form. Happy vacuum forming.